Hello guys, so today's video we will be having a tutorial on how to make an Ethernet cable. So this will be the tools that we are using. First is the crimping tool, second is the wire stripper, and the third is the scissor, and the fourth is battery, and the fifth is RJ45, and the last is the cable tester. Step 1. Measure and cut the cable to the desired length. Use the cable stripper to strip about an inch of the outer jacket of the cable, and careful not to damage the inner wires. Step 2. Arrange the wires according to the wiring standard. So the first color will be white-green, and next is green, and white-orange, and blue, white-blue, orange and white-brown, and last is brown. Make sure all the wires are in the correct order. Step 3. Straighten the pairs of wire so that you can easily insert it into your RJ45. Step 4. Insert the inner wires into RJ45. Step 5. Use the crimping tool to crimp the RJ45, ensuring that the RJ45 is attached to the cable. Repeat the process for the other end cable. Step 6. Use the cable tester once both ends are crimped to check for proper connectivity and ensures that the cable will function properly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Drop in the money pop shop for a living and baby gon' smell blood tread every minute road wave when the people no feel when I hit it every time I see a beat I hate it dedicated and nobody give a fuck about the rules either get a plums number 2 I'm a cool but making this no boo when I'm spending they scared I didn't fuck again so really anyone nothing but my name man I don't give a fuck about them